Mi Band 6 Review. Xiaomi India's new Mi Band 6 smart band will go on sale for the first time in the country today, August 30th. Hey guys, I am Pete, and you are watching Product Reviews. The smartwatch will be sold at official Mi stores and on Amazon for 3,499 rupees. People in China got to see the new band on June 11, 2020. It went on sale in China on June 18, 2020, and a global version came out in July 2020. The Mi Band 6 can be used to control the camera on your smartphone, so you can take pictures from your wrist and send them to your phone. The Mi Band 6 is very accurate. It doesn't matter how many problems I had with writing, the Mi Band 6 is still a good way to track basic fitness. The step tracking is one of the most accurate. It's great for people who go for walks or runs and need a cheap tracker. Want to purchase this? Link is in description. Hope that's the cheapest link anywhere available. Mi Band 6 vs Mi Band 5. There are 152 by 486 pixels on the screen of the Mi Band 6. This is a lot more pixels than there were on the Mi Band 5, which had 126 by 294 pixels. This means the Mi Band 6 has a pixel density of about 326 ppi. Because the Mi Band 6 has 3D scratch-resistant glass, the Band & Half only has 2D scratch-resistant glass. To get a watch with a SPO2 sensor and a bigger screen, the Mi Band 6 is better. The Mi Band & Half is still useful for people who want a good fitness tracker with a long battery life. If you are seeing this channel for first time, don't forget to subscribe, right now. Mi Smart Band 6 NFC has a 1-inch AMOLED screen, waterproofing, and a battery that can last up to 14 days without a charge. If you want to use your phone, you can use voice commands from Amazon Alexa. There is also a PPG heart rate sensor in 30 sports modes. There is Bluetooth 5 support. It has a 50-meter water resistance. Auto detection of swimming styles. This means that you can wear Mi Smart Band 6 while swimming in the pool or while surfing on the beach. It also means that you can. When you're swimming, you can choose from 5 different ways to keep track of where you are. The new Mi Band 6 comes in the same long and thin paper packaging as the last one. There is a band, one strap, and a magnetic charger in the package. The Mi Band 5 comes with the same magnetic charger. GPS. It doesn't have built-in GPS, but linked GPS is available, even if some reviewers haven't had the best luck with this feature, even though it isn't the best way to use it. Take resting heart rate readings in 30, 10, 5, or 1-minute intervals. You can set the Mi Band 6 to take these readings at any time. IP65, waterproof 50 meters. Scratch-proof and dust-proof. With a 1-inch full-screen AMOLED touch display, the Mi Smart Band 6 can be seen clearly even in the dark. The screen can be turned on and off and has a brightness of 450 nits. You'll get a new sleep tracking feature that looks at naps, sleep cycles, including rapid eye movement, and how well you breathe while you sleep. Works with water. When the device has half of its capacity, it can be used in water depths of more than 30 feet, which is about 50 feet. It also covers things like spray, splashes, and things like the rain, a hot shower, and a lot of time in hot water. is when you're in the bath or in the hot tub. 33. If you do a lot of different types of sports, the Huawei Band 6 has the advantage here. In comparison, the Mi Band only has 30 different sports modes. The Huawei Band 6 will have sports like skydiving and laser tag. Then, you could soak a cotton ball in isopropyl alcohol and use it to clean up any stubborn dirt that won't go away. Next, use rubbing alcohol or other wipes to clean the watch all over. Clean the band as directed by the manufacturer. Take care not to wet the leather. Battery. It can last 14 days on a single charge with normal use, compared to the Mi Band 4's 20 days on a single charge. Xiaomi thinks you can still get 20 days and a half out of the Mi Band if you do things like turn off heart rate monitoring, raise to wake, and track sleep. The caller ID. It doesn't matter what number you choose. Mi Band Tools breaks this number into parts of 2 to 3 digits and shows you the digits by vibrating when your heart rate goes up or down. It's possible to use Mi Band 6 without a phone. Time, or date, and weather information will only be shown on the screen. It will also save your step count, so you can keep track of how far you've gone. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful, if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.